So you lost your key to your e-bike battery. You're done now, right? No, you're not. I'm going to show you how to change the key to your e-bike battery. Let's get going here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And once those are out, you can take these screws out here, and then you can slide it like this. Yeah, let's go ahead and demonstrate that for you here. Just take these screws out. That's holding the lock. Of course, you got to have your battery off in order to do that. And I have a video that shows you how to do that. At least I was able to on mine. See, and then you just push this lock back in that way. And then the lock comes out like that. Then to put your new one in, you just do the same thing. Just the opposite way. Stick it in that hole there. Make sure there's no wires in the way. There we go. And then put these screws back in. Real easy. Real easy to change your lock. But when you put the battery, just make sure the wires are back where they're supposed to be, that you're not pinching any. Should be able to see which way they were when you took it off, because they'll be bending that way. Yep, everything looks like it's in position. So now we can put it back together. Just put these screws back in. Then go back and tighten them up the rest of the way with my hand. Then I don't know how tight they are. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. I hope that was helpful. If you need help to get your battery off your bike without the key, click this video here.